Hello. Am I asking? I'm nodding my head out. Answer that later. First, I want to show you my dad's new phone. It's almost like mine, but yeah, I can't beat that. His is cooler. But it's dull. That's all that I don't like about it. It's not like colorful. Okay, so I want to show you one of the ringtones that I love. He just got it yesterday. So that was for the future me. That if the future me wants to listen to this again and she remembers that she still has a YouTube account, that she can look it up, then she can listen to it. Here's some other ones I am going to let me listen to in the future. Yeah, and you guys, of course. Yeah, look. Oh my gosh, hamster cage. Here it is again.
Is it working now?
I like this ringtone.
Okay. The ringtone is working on the Bluetooth?
It works.
You know how to work it?
Yes.
How you turn it on?
You just take it off. You can't use it while it's charging.
That's what it says? Okay. The light turn it back. Yo, the thing fine low. The thing up.
Say hi!
Hi.
Awesome! I think that's my second video that everybody has been.
You got my ringtone, right?
Is this okay? Because I like it.
If you like it, I like it.
Look at. If you can see the wallpaper can move.
Pretty cool, right?
Yes. Look at this other one. I'm going to take a picture of you guys.
Come on, Joe. Top. That's it.
Yes.
Oh, you don't be doing pound.
Dad just said, Ty, we need to look for socks for me.
No, for sure.
Ah.
Come on, baby.
So you had to see that. But this is so cool. I want to check out your new phone. My dad just sent Ty too that I can check it in the car. Dad said he has to go to work really fast and then he needs to bring me. So, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. And